emission of greenhouse effect gas. In Canary Island, the proportion of cars per inhabitant is one of the highest of European Union and consequently the highest traffic density. Seawater without control pollutes the soil and aquifers. The worst danger is the excessive use of agrochemicals.
Some towns of the Canary Island has been fined by the EU by sewage without processing.
The waste contributes to the expansion of cyanobacteria. Microalgae then expand by the increasing of water temperature, feeding of the nitrogen in the polluted dumps.
Irresponsible, consumeristic, and inadequate attitude to the environmental cause that our coast and ocean floors become to rubbish that or mountains of plastic.
The increasing of population and an irresponsible consumerist pattern have caused important changes in the orography. After this, the massive arrival of tourists and the excessive development of housing and roads have made important change on the biodiversity and the landscape.
The synergy of these elements causes a fatal result. Increasing of the temperatures, losing of resources and biodiversity, destruction of the territory, and deterioration of the standard of living. It's time to say stop and change our attitude.
Together!